In this section, we are going to talk about the joins. So if I open my products migration, in here we have two foreign keys, one for brand ID and one for category. So it means that here we will store the brand and category ID, and our products have relationship with these two tables. Now let's see how we can create our joins using query builder. So let's go to our products controller. So here is my products controller, and let's create a function, public function. Let's call it index. Now let's create our variable, and in here let's call our products table. To create a join, we have a function with the name of join. The first parameter in here, we will mention our table, in which table we want to join. So for example, if I open my database, I want to join with my brands, so I will add the brands table name in here. Then after that, okay, actually let's bring the db class also. Okay, done, it's been imported. Now let's continue. In the second parameter, we will mention the first table foreign key, which is products.brand id, and in the 10th parameter our operator, and finally in the fourth parameter we will say the primary key of our brands table, which is brands.id. Now after that, let's type get and return our products. Now let's go and create a route for this. Let's go to the routes, and in here create a new route, products, and call our products controller. Class method name is index. Now let's go to this URL, enter. Now we got all our products in here, all the products with the brands of it. So we have the brand image, we have the products column in here. If you want to specifically only, for example, select some columns, we can do that also by typing select. For example, I want to get all the columns from the product, so I will type products dot star, and from the brands I only want to select the let's say ID. And now let's go refresh, enter. We got the all the columns from the product. In here we only got the brand ID, so let's change it, give it a alias as brands ID, like this. Let's go back, refresh. Now we got the brand ID in here also. This is how we can create our inner join using the query builder. We can also join multiple tables the same way we did with the brands. We can do that with the categories also. So let's copy this and paste it in here, change the brands to categories, then the brand ID, the foreign key in here is category ID, and here as well we have to change it to categories. Now let's save everything, let's select all. So let's remove everything from here and type a star to select all. Let's go refresh. Now it is showing all the columns, all the records which have product and the brand relationship. So if you want to create a left join, we can do that also. This will bring all the products which have the brands and categories, but If you want to get all the products, even if brand or category is missing, you can use left join. So let's copy this and comment this out, paste it here. Let's copy again, paste, come on, copy and paste. Now let's do with one join. So for the left join, we can just type left and that's it, nothing we have to do. So now let's go and refresh. Now it will show all the records even if they don't have a brand. So this is how we can create our relationships using the query builder.